Yeah, look at all these stuff I have to unbox. Welcome back to another vlog. So as you can see, I have all these packages to unbox. Next week, well, I guess depends on when this video goes up, but in a week, I'll be going on my first ever backpacking trip with some friends of mine out here in Los Angeles. And I bought, there's some initial investment, but I am now committing to this hobby. I used to do a lot of nature stuff growing up with my dad. We used to go fishing quite often. Our family's gone camping multiple times too. But now that I'm older, I do kind of want to get back into it. I kind of lost touch with it when schooling started getting pretty serious. But now that I have some leisure time, we're gonna go backpacking. So let me show you guys what I got. Box number one. Ooh, I got some smart wool socks because your socks are important. Ooh, I got some hiking shoes. I haven't owned hiking shoes in a very long time. And this is the shoe I went with. Most of the stuff I got today are from REI. Wow, this shoe, it's got Gore-Tex for all you techwear bros. Box number two. Oh, I think this is my sleeping bag. It's so small. Is this my sleeping bag? Wow, this is the smallest I've ever seen a sleeping bag, I think. Wow, this is so small. Okay. Box number three. Go away, sleeping bag. My cats go crazy every time there's a box. Oh my goodness. Look at those guys. Oi, Luffy! Oi! Oh my goodness. He's just going ham. Luffy! Box number three. We got a thermarest. I was told to get this. I think this is for like insulation purposes late at night. If it gets too cold, this is gonna help with that. We got a headlamp to wear on our head at night whenever we need. Got some eco-friendly, I think, sporks. Got a lightweight towel. And the bee-free water filtration system. Because there's gonna be no water fountain. We're just gonna have to scoop water from rivers and lakes. So this filters it out for you, so it's relatively safe to drink. Number four, I don't know if everything I need has actually come yet. Fairly large shipment of items, so if I'm missing anything in this video, it's not because I've forgotten. Just not everything has shipped at the time of recording. Oh, we got some sealable bowls for leftover foods, I think. Got some soap. Environmentally friendly soap. Oh, this one's big. I think this one's the backpack. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I got a 65 liter backpack. This is maybe like 30% of my height. This is pretty big though. This is from Osprey. I also got a water pouch. Yeah, this goes in the bag. You can drink water out of it. Pretty exciting. Yeah, we're gonna be going to Big Pine Lakes in about a week. It's gonna be a 3-day trip with 4 of us, so I'm excited. Hello, today I'm going to go over to my friend TheAlbertChang's house. You guys might know him, slightly musical. He just got some samples of some decks of cards that he's making for his merch, so we're gonna go check it out and just hang out today. I sneaked into his house without him knowing. Let's see if we can scare him.
Oh my god!
It was open, so I snuck in.
Hello, wow.
This is the madman's lair. Sheesh! His stream setup's insane. He's got like a water spout where his viewers can donate. And then I'll force him to drink water. Look at his. Oh, that's a streaming camera. Oh my, he gets bigger every time. Hello? These troublemakers. It's like we have the same shirt.
Do I look like?
Pretty similar pants. Oh, and the glasses too.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's see. So,
Mr.
I've been
Albert.
working on these for a fucking year.
Ooh. You've been working on it for a year?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice. Achroma.
Because there's no color. Well, there's technically red. Hey, hey!
He's biting me.
Turn on lights.
Sad. This is his printer. If you guys see Albert's stream, when you sub or donate, there's a printer there. Today's mission is cable manage office.
God, kill me.
There's so many cables here. That probably goes here.
But like on which side? Well, I feel like it should be the same on either side, no? Do you think it goes vertical?
Let's see the listing. Meant to be screwed in like that.
Like that?
Yeah, so it needs to. Spent all this time mounting this, and we reversed the order. You're like right against the edge?
Yeah, maybe slightly back. That look right? Oh god, there's no way. I think I actually have to. I think I have
Is
to.
it a bit?
Yeah. Should we mark it?
Yeah.
Is that enough? Okay, hopefully that's enough.
Make it have sex.
Well, I can't pull it out though.
The wall it's on.
Oh. Oh god.
Let me hold it.
Right? Like that, right?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yes!
Wow, look at this. Our hard work.
Hard work. I can't see. I need these. These need to go on this side, I believe. Okay, now moment of truth. Do things turn on?
I hope so. Ooh. This is so sad. I got everything to work except for this. And we think the power switch is broken.
God damn it. I'm sad.
Oh no. Hello, it's Saturday now, and it's Wednesday and Janet's birthday today, or tonight. But before that, we're gonna have Mr. AlbertChang coming over. He recently finished production of his merch, some playing cards, and we're gonna do some product photography for the public listing for it. Look at this deck. Check it out when it dropped. It was very cool. He got custom artwork done with custom face cards and design. It's really nice. You guys know I love cards. He's gonna be coming over in a bit, and then we're gonna take some photos. Luffy. Luffy. Hey. Hey. Luffy. Yeah. Yeah. Ish. Taking some product shots. All with new cards. Or would you rather do it from top? To show a little bit of the top.
Oh, is that how they did?
I think so.
Oh yeah, I think that's right. Oh shit. Looks too flat. The card's not. I don't think I'm gonna put the boss one in this one. It was a worthy effort. I was wondering if it's confusing because you have like no sense of like lines. Like it's like, is this tilted properly?
Yeah.
Like, I think the macro lens would be cool with the blade too. Super slow.